English to Pashto sentences.
I want to meet you. زستا سره میلاویده غواړم. I want to meet you. The fortune is smiling on me. قسمت په ما مهربان دی. The fortune is smiling on me. How do you find him? تا ته هغه څنګه ښکاري. How do you find him? I find him boring. ما ته هغه بیزار کن ښکاري. I find him boring. یعنی ما ته هغه بورینګ ښکاري. I find him beautiful. ما ته هغه ښکلی ښکاري. I find him beautiful. I find him ugly. ما ته هغه بدرنګه ښکاري. I find him ugly. Stop fighting. جګړه کول بند کړئ. Stop fighting. Stop fighting with each other. د یو بل سره جګړه کول بند کړئ. Stop fighting with each other. Trust me. په ما باور وکړه. Trust me. You are not trustworthy. ته د باور لایق نه یې. You are not trustworthy. Who do you trust? ته په چا باور کوې. Who do you trust? I trust him. زه په هغه باور کوم. I trust him. I trust no one. زه په هیچ چا باور نه کوم. I trust no one. Don't waste your time. وخت دی مه خرابوه. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time by talking. وخت دی په خبرو مه خرابوه. Don't waste your time by talking. How long will you take? څومره وخت به اخلي. How long will you take? Only 5 minutes. صرف 15 منټه. Only 5 minutes. I went for the interview. زه د لیدنې کتنې دپاره لاړم. I went for the interview. یعنی زه انټرویو له لاړم. How was your interview? لیدنه کتنه دې څنګه وه. How was your interview? یعنی انټرویو دې څنګه وه. I went for the interview offhand. زه بغیر د تیاری نه لیدنې کتنې له تللی وم. I went for the interview offhand. Sorry to hear that. په اورېدو سره خفه شوم. Sorry to hear that. You are so close to me. ته ما ته ډېر نږدې یې. You are so close to me. Don't come close to me. ما ته رانږدې کېږه مه. Don't come close to me. I want to do it. زه دا کول غواړم. I want to do it. This is wrong to do it. دا کول غلط دی. This is wrong to do it. I wish I could go there. کاش چې زه هلته تلی شوې. I wish I could go there. I wish I had money. کاش چې زما سره پیسې وې. I wish I had money. Don't abuse anybody. چاته کنزل مه کوه. Don't abuse anybody. She forbade me to eat the apple. هغې زه د مڼې خوړلو نه منع کړم. She forbade me to eat the apple. She allowed me to eat the apple. هغې مالا د مڼې خوړلو اجازت راکو. She allowed me to eat the apple. His pain is mild. د هغه درد لږ دی. His pain is mild. His pain is severe. د هغه درد تیز دی. His pain is severe. Have we met before? آیا موږ مخکې چرته میلاو شوي یو؟ Have we met before? I don't recall. ما ته نه دی یاد. I don't recall. Why did they beat you? هغوی ته ولې ووهلې؟ Why did they beat you? They beat me for no reason. هغوی زه بې وجې ووهلم. They beat me for no reason. Who needs help? چاته د مرستې ضرورت دی. Who needs help? I am here to help. زه دلته د مرستې کولو دپاره یم. I am here to help. It is terrible. دا د یری دی. It is terrible. It is awesome. دا ډیر ښه دی. It is awesome. Are you ready? آیا ته تیار یې؟ Are you ready? I am ready. زه تیار یم. I am ready. I have a good news. زما سره یو ښه خبر دی. I have a good news. I got a job. ما ته نوکری میلاو شوه. I got a job. I slept like a baby. زه د ماشوم په شانتي اوده شوم. I slept like a baby. یعنی زه لکه د ماشوم اوده شوم. I had a dream. ما یو خوب ولیدو. I had a dream. It is better. دا ښه دی. It is better. It is bad. دا بد دی. It is bad. It is very messy. دا ډیر بے ترتیبه دی. It is very messy. It is smelly. دا بدبودار دی. It is smelly. I am feeling lazy. زه ناراستی محسوسوم. I am feeling lazy. یعنی زه ناراست یم. I am lazy. زه ناراست یم. I am lazy. I am feeling sick. زه ناجوړتیا محسوسوم. I am feeling sick. I am sick. زه ناجوړه یم. I am sick. I am feeling fine. زه ښه محسوسوم. I am feeling fine. I am fine. زه ښه یم. I am fine. You are weird. ته عجیبه یې. You are weird. Where are you? ته کوم ځای یې. Where are you? I am at home. زه کور کې یم. I am at home. I was worried. زه فکرمند وم. I was worried. I was waiting. ما انتظار کاو. I was waiting. I was waiting for you. ما ستا انتظار کاو. I was waiting for you. Did you sleep? آیا ته اوده شوې؟ Did you sleep? Did you sleep well? آیا ته ښه اوده شوې؟ Did you sleep well? Too much sleep is not good. ډېر خوب ښه شی نه دی. Too much sleep is not good. How do you learn? ته څرنګه زده کړه کوې؟ How do you learn? I practice by listening. زه د اورېدو مشق کوم. I practice by listening. What time do you practice? ته څه وخت مشق کوې؟ What time do you practice? I practice when I am free. چې کله زه وزګار یم مشق کوم. I practice when I am free. English is easy. English آسان دی. English is easy. English is difficult. English ګران دی. English is difficult. Learning Pashto is difficult. پښتو زده کول ګران دي. Learning Pashto is difficult. Learning Pashto is easy. پښتو زده کول آسان دي. Learning Pashto is easy. My hand got swollen. زما لاس وسوځېدو. My hand got swollen. My leg got swollen. زما خپه وسوځېده. My leg got swollen. My leg got sprained. زما خپه واوړېده. My leg got sprained. My hand got sprained. زما لاس واوړېدو. My hand got sprained. My hand got numbed. زما لاس اوده شو. My hand got numbed. My leg got numbed. زما خپه اوده شوه. My leg got numbed. I got bleeding in my leg. زما خپه وینې شوه. I got bleeding in my leg. I got pain in my leg. زما په خپه درد شو. I got pain in my leg. My mouth is on fire. زما خوله په مرچکي وسوځېده. My mouth is on fire. That's all for today. د نن دپاره هم دغه عمره. That's all for today. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.